Do you know how many vowels are there in English language? 5? No. There are 5.5 vowels in English language. So which one that half is? That half vowel is Y. Y letter is known as half vowel in English language because it plays the role of consonant also and vowel also. So if this is the case, when it plays the role of consonant and when it plays the role of vowel, whenever Y is present in the beginning or middle part, it plays the role of consonant. It gives you the sound here. For example, yikes, yellow, yak, yoke. There are many more examples. And whenever Y is present at the end of the spelling, always it gives you E sound, that is vowel sound. Always Y plays the role of vowel at the end of the spelling. For example, happy, lucky. Then even in the words like enjoy, it's not enjoyer, it's enjoy. Sky, boy, toy. Many more examples you can drop in the comment section for the examples and follow us for many more further tricks of English language. Till then, bye bye.